Pero yung mga lumabas na news about you, may mga katotohanan na.
Sa mga issues po, parang it's not worth my time. I became a more empathetic person that coming from this, pag pinasok mo ang industriya, talagang merong positive, negative, different kinds of comments, but that doesn't prove kasi your character won't be tamed if you're really not like that. And I think time will tell.
Oo.
May pinaka-na-hurt ka ba na comment
Comments.
or parang hindi mo talaga deserve sabihan, ma-associate?
Sa mga issues po, parang wala kasi it's not worth my time. I have a lot of things to focus on. I want to be the best version of myself. And
Unbothered queen.
parang pero thank you po. Pero parang para po in my mind, sabihan mo yung correct me if I'm wrong. But paniniwala ko, sabihan mo yung pinakamayaman sa tao na mahirap siya, pagtatawanan ka lang niya. At hindi, at ayun po, it's not worth my time.
Pero yung mga lumabas na news about you, may mga katotohanan na.